Good morning, my friends. Thanks for joining me this morning on our STEAM, being engineers and building our own gingerbread house. I'm going to show you how to make the recipe for the frosting that we made with our gingerbread house this morning. Here's what you're going to need: icing sugar, cream of tartar, lemon juice, 2 egg whites, and later on, what we're going to use on our frosting is the graham crackers for our gingerbread house and also a milk carton. It's also helpful if you have different kitchen tools, such as a mixer or spatula and a butter knife. You're going to sift the cream of tartar and icing sugar together. Beat the egg whites until firm. Whip your icing until it starts peaking and firm. Once you have the ingredients ready, ask an adult to help you take the top of the milk carton off so it'll look like this.